Hello all, my project is Uart Debugger. Now I'll start the demo. I'll call the function or command call fun, which just calls the four dummy functions. The first dummy function prints a value onto the LED display with one second delay. The second and third and fourth are just dummy functions, just print something onto the Uart terminal. Now I'll call it. As you can see, the port LED display is getting updated. Now as you can see, the second, third and fourth dummy functions is also called, which just prints stub functions 2, 3, 4 are called. Now we'll try to enable our debug monitor mode using this command debug mon enable. As you can see, halting debug is enabled, so we have to set some specific register in the GDB. I've already opened the GDB. The command is this. I'll just copy it onto the GDB debugger. Now you open that putty. Now you can see that monitor debug mode is enabled. Now I'll try to change the value of the count variable, which is used to print it on the LED display using poke command. Now I'll change it to 5. Okay. Now I'll try to set a watch point. Now you can see the watch point is set to that variable count. This 6 indicates that it's whenever it's a right axis, the watch point will be set. We can also see whether watch point is set or not. Here you can see the comparator 1, the function value is 6 and the address is 2, whatever the address we gave. Now we'll also try to set a breakpoint. If you try to call this show function address, it gives the address of each dummy function starting location. Now we'll try to set a watch point at dummy function 3. Now I'm trying to set a breakpoint using this command set breakpoint at address at dummy function 3 0x1940. Now you can see if it is enabled and breakpoint is set. We can also see whether breakpoint is actually set using this command dump pkpt. You can see the first comparator value is the address value is 1940, which is the address of the third function. Now everything is set, the watch point is set and also the breakpoint is set. Now I'll try to call the dummy functions. As you can see, the value is getting updated to 5. Now a watch point, as I've set the watch point to that count, a debug exception is called. Now it waits until any key is pressed. Now I'll press any key. And again the function gets called. So similarly it happens until the count goes to 10. Now as you can see, we have set a breakpoint at function 3. So stub function 2 is called. Whenever it tries to execute function 3, a debug exception is occurred. And now it waits, it prints all the register stack that is there. Now if you press C, it will continue. If you press S, it will single step. I'll try to single step. As you can see, the PC is getting updated from 19400 to 1942. 1944, so it's getting updated, like each instruction is getting executed. Now I press C, it will continue, and you can see it resumed, and also 3 and 4 sub functions are called. That's it. Thank you.